All right. The alternator in, done, belt tensioned, ready to go. I'm gonna fire it up and let it run. We're gonna hope our alternator light goes out, and then, ooh, excuse me, gassy from lunch. Oh, you gassy too, huh?
What'd you have for lunch?
Goodies.
I had
What'd you have?
Sub King.
Oh!
Yeah.
OG Sub King,
Yeah, I was
baby.
gonna go to 7-Eleven. I looked over. I said, "Dude, I haven't had one of those in forever.
Sub King's
Are they
good.
still open?"
Yep.
And I was like, "Yes."
Yeah, I haven't had that in years either.
Pastrami, the bacon,
Ooh.
diced pickles, diced
Ooh.
onions. It comes with tomato, but I don't do the.
They're diced pickles. Oh,
Oh yeah, but I had cheese on it this time.
you know what's good there? The Italian Delight.
Oh yeah.
Dude. Sausage and meatballs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, back to, we got sidetracked. Food, because we're fat. So, I'm gonna hook up our battery cables and we'll give it a try. And we're charging, baby. The starter did hang up again, but we have to deal with that in a bit. But